Hi everyone, Billy here at Rich Solar. Today I'm introducing to you our newly designed Mega 250 watt solar panel. How is it newly designed? If you notice, there's a line going down the middle of the panel. That's going to tell you that we have two 125 watt solar panels in the one frame. Having two 125 watt solar panels means if you get a pesky shadow or shading from an air conditioning unit or a vent, that means the other half of the panel is still producing for you. This one frame's footprint is almost the same size as our 200 watt solar panel. That means you get 50 watts more solar, basically in the same footprint. We're very proud of this panel. This is something that I'm very, very excited about. I hope you are too. If you'd like to call me and my team with any questions, you need to know the dimensions, the VOCs, the specs, please give us a call or go to the website, richsolar.com. And as always, have a solar day.